A man walks at a speed of 6 km per hour for 1 kilometer and 8 km per hour for the next 1 kilometer. What is his average speed for the walk of 2 kilometers? So here we have to find out the time in two cases. T1 is 1 upon 6 hour and T2 is 1 upon 8 hours. So total time T will be equal to 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 8, LCM 24. So this will become 4 plus 3. So T equal to 7 by 24 R. Now, here total distance is 2 kilometers. So V average is equal to 2 divided by 7 by 24. So 2 into 24 divided by 7, which is 48 by 7 kilometer per hour. This can be written as roughly equal to 7 kilometer per hour. Question number 2. The I.Sc lecture theater of a college is 40 feet wide and has a door at a corner. A teacher enters at 12 noon through the door and makes 10 rounds along the 40 feet wall back and forth during the period and finally leaves the classroom at 12:50 p.m. through the same door. Compute his average speed and average velocity. So if he enters at this point and he goes till here, then he comes back. So distance covered equal to 10 rounds, 10 into 40 into 2. So this will be equal to 800 feet. And time taken is equal to 50 minutes. So V average, that is average speed, equal to 800 divided by 50, that is 16 feet per minute. Here, since he enters at this point and then he comes back to this point while leaving the room, so total displacement is 0. So average velocity, V average, this is velocity. So this will be 0. Next question. The position of a particle is given by x equal to at cube plus bt square plus ct plus d. We have to find out the dimensions of A, B, C, D. So dimension of A will be equal to x is L divided by t cube. Similarly, dimension of B will be L divided by t square. Dimension of C will be L divided by t, and dimension of D will be that of x, which is L. This can be written as LT power minus 3, similarly, LT power minus 2, LT power minus 1, and L. Now, the velocity of particle at t equal to 4 seconds. So we can differentiate this equation dx upon dt to get velocity. This will become 3at square plus 2bt plus c. Now, we can put the values a equal to 1, b equal to 4, c equal to minus 2. So we will get 3t square plus 8t minus 2. Given t equal to 4 seconds, so if you put t equal to 4 seconds, we will get velocity as 78 meter per second. Now, to get acceleration, we have to differentiate it again, d2x by dt2. So this equation, this is 6t plus 8. Again, we put t equal to 4. So this will become, at t equal to 4, we will get acceleration as 6 into 4 plus 8, that is 32 meter per second square. Now, average velocity during this time, so we put t equal to 0 and then t equal to 4 to get x in two cases, and then we divide it by time. So when we put t equal to 4 here in this equation, so let's write it clearly. X equal to A. A is 1, so that is t cube. B is 4, so this becomes 4t square. C is minus 2, minus 2t, and D is 5. Now, when t equal to 0, then we will get x equal to 5. And then when t equal to 4 second, because till 4 second we have to find out, then x will be, let's write it x1. So x2 will be 125. And time is 4 second. Distance traveled will be, this is 5 meter and this is 125 meters. So difference will be 120 meter. So V average will be equal to 120 divided by 4. That is 30 meter per second. Now, the average acceleration during the interval this. So we can find the velocities at 2 points and then we divide it by time to get average acceleration. And expression for velocity is this. So we evaluate it. V when t equal to 0 will be minus 2, and V when t equal to 4 second. So we put here 4. So we will get 78 meter per second, and time is 4 second. So average acceleration, A average will be difference of the two. 78 minus 2 divided by time is 4. So this will give 80 by 4, that is 20 meter per second. Now let's go to question number 4. Question number 4 says, from the velocity time graph of particle given in figure, describe the motion of the particle qualitatively in the interval 0 to 4 seconds. Find the distance traveled during first 2 seconds, during the time 2 seconds to 4 seconds, during 0 to 4 seconds, displacement from 0 to 4 seconds, acceleration at t equal to half second, and acceleration at t equal to 2 seconds. So let's evaluate it. Distance traveled in 2 seconds. So we can find the area of this. So distance traveled, suppose it is x. So area of this triangle starting from 0 to 2. So half base into height. Base will be 2. Height is 10. So 2 into 10. So this will be 10 meter. Then second part, distance during 2 to 4 seconds. It will be same because here this is 10. So distance can't be negative. Suppose this is x2, this is x1. So 1 by 2 into 2 into 10, that is 10 meter. Part C. Here, during 0 to 4 second distance traveled, it will be sum of the two. So suppose x3, it will be 10 plus 10. That is 20 meter. Now, part D. Here, total displacement. Here, displacement is positive, displacement is negative, and its magnitude is same in the two cases. So if we consider 0 to 4 seconds, so total displacement is 0. So displacement equal to 0. So here, displacement during the second was to be found, which is 0. And then part E, here acceleration when time is half second. So From here to here, from 0 to 1 second, acceleration will be constant. So acceleration will be equal to velocity divided by time. Velocity is 10 divided by time is 1, that is 10 meter per second square. Now, acceleration at 2 seconds. So here, 2 is lying here on this sloping, on this downward slope. So acceleration in this case will be negative, but the value will remain same. So F A will be equal to minus 10 by 1. That is minus 10 meter per second square. Now, question number 5. A particle starts from rest with a constant acceleration. At time t, the speed is 100 meter per second. And 1 second later, the speed becomes 150 meter per second. Find the acceleration and distance traveled in t plus 1 second. So we can evaluate it. So we can apply formula. Acceleration equal to v minus u divided by t. Here, velocity is 150 and this is 100. So difference of the two, 150 minus 100 divided by time is 1 second. So this will give 50 meter per second square. Now, distance traveled in t plus 1 second. So we can apply the formula. V square equal to u square plus 2as. So velocity is 150 square and u square is 100 square plus 2 into a. So here acceleration is 50 and then distance is to be found s. So s equal to 150 square minus 100 square divided by 2 into 50. So this will become 125 meter, which is our answer. Thank you for watching.